The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Wise County in north-central Texas, southern Denton County in north-central Texas, northeastern Parker County in north-central Texas, northwestern Tarrant County in north-central Texas, until 10:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Reno, or near Azle, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Pecan Acres, Eagle Mountain, Briar, Pelican Bay, Azle, and Reno around 9:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Aurora, Haslett, and Rome around 9:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time. New Fairview around 9:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Justin around 9:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Denton and Northlake around 9:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Crum around 10:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Oak Point, Keeter, Stony, Ponder, Newark, Dish, Sanctuary, Highland Addition, Marshall Creek, and La Junta. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35 between mile markers 468 and 469. Interstate 35W between mile markers 66 and 85. Interstate 35E between mile markers 457 and 466. Interstate 20 between mile markers 412 and 415. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.